Microsoft offers 2021 Office for $49.99 lifetime use. Pay once. Microsoft is offering its 2021 Office Pro suite of applications such as Word and Excel for a lifetime price of $49.99. Pay once and get them forever. I think this is a good move, as monthly and yearly fees are a big turn off for software applications. Microsoft offering Office Pro Suite for a one-time cost of $49.99, a game changer in the software industry. Microsoft has been a leader in the software industry for decades, offering a range of products that have become essential to businesses and individuals alike. One of the most popular products is the Office Pro Suite, which includes essential software like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Historically, users have had to pay a recurring subscription fee to use the software, which can add up over time. However, in a game-changing move, Microsoft recently announced that it will now offer the Office Pro Suite for a one-time cost of $49.99, allowing users to own the software forever. This move is a significant shift for Microsoft and has the potential to disrupt the software industry. In this article, we'll explore the benefits of this change and what it could mean for users and the industry as a whole. Benefits of a one-time cost. The most obvious benefit of a one-time cost is that users can save money in the long run. With a subscription model, users must pay a monthly or yearly fee to continue using the software. This can add up over time, especially for businesses that have multiple users. With a one-time cost, users can make a one-time investment and use the software for as long as they want without having to worry about recurring costs. Another benefit is that users have more control over their software. With a subscription model, users must rely on Microsoft to maintain the software and provide updates. This can be a problem if users have specific needs or preferences that are not met by the software. With a one-time cost, users can choose when and how they want to update the software, giving them more control and flexibility. Finally, a one-time cost can be more attractive to users who prefer to own their software. Many users feel uncomfortable with the idea of renting software and prefer to own it outright. With a one-time cost, users can own the software and use it as they see fit without worrying about subscription fees or other restrictions. Disrupting the industry. Microsoft's move to a one-time cost could disrupt the software industry in several ways. First, it could encourage other companies to follow suit and offer one-time costs for their software. This could create a more competitive marketplace and give users more options for how they want to purchase and use software. Second, it could lead to more innovation in the software industry. With a one-time cost, companies may need to find new ways to generate revenue and maintain their software. This could lead to more innovative business models and software features that benefit users. Finally, it could change the way users view software. Many users have become accustomed to the subscription model and may be hesitant to switch to a one-time cost. However, if Microsoft's move is successful, it could change the way users think about purchasing software and encourage more people to consider one-time costs as a viable option. Challenges and considerations. While a one-time cost for the Office Pro Suite is an exciting development, there are some challenges and considerations to keep in mind. One challenge is that a one-time cost may not be feasible for all software products. Some products may require ongoing maintenance or updates that are best provided through a subscription model. Additionally, some users may prefer the predictability of a subscription fee over the uncertainty of a one-time cost. Another consideration is the potential impact on Microsoft's revenue. While a one-time cost could be attractive to users, it could also mean a significant loss of revenue for Microsoft. As a result, It will be important for Microsoft to carefully consider how this change will impact its business and find ways to offset any potential revenue loss. Counter-argument: this one-time cost is nice, however, there is a problem with it. It's for a 2-year-old version of Microsoft's Office suite. Also, Google Sheets and Docs can do most of what they can do and use a browser, which requires no installing of software. If you want to keep up to date with Microsoft products, you will have to pay more than this $49 for Office Pro 2021. Microsoft will most likely sell AI services and its Copilot AI assistant as well. Conclusion: overall, Microsoft's move to offer the Office Pro Suite for a one-time cost of $49 is good for those who want to use just that version of the software. It gets rid of the subscription model for it. However, for upgrades and other features, users will still have to pay most likely. Also, it's just as easy to use Google Docs and Google Sheets as it is to use Microsoft products, and they are in a browser instead of on the computer itself. Would you buy Microsoft Office 2021 for a lifetime cost of $49.99?